I have tried many different way, so I will show you best shortcut process to change package name. Let's do it. Open Android Studio. Here, this is my simple Node app emulator. Run. Here my app is open, means project is full. Okay, let's to change package name. For safety zone, at first you back up your project, so let's do it. Go your project folder. This is my project folder, Android Studio project, my node.app. This is my running project. This is my project. Okay, so I need a backup. So backup means just select and copy, then paste your project. Here is the copy file, means this is backup file. If by mistakenly have face any problem, couldn't fix, then again you work this backup file, just rename, just delete your problem project, then old backup project, just rename, then use it. Okay, here my project is okay. Now open, here is the Android and Android apps. Just open your main activity. Your project Kotlin or Java, no problem, both project is similar, Android or Kotlin. So my project is Kotlin, no problem. Open your main activity .java or Kotlin kt, and open build Gradle.kts or Java to open, and open your Android manifest.xml. Here, this is my package name. Okay, this is my package name. Here, this is my package name, this is my package name, both are same. Okay, now I will change it. So which project name I want to set? Wait, here, this is backup. Okay, I want to set this package name. Okay, com.easy simple.pit. So one thing remember, you don't use .app, your last name, because Android Studio app default configuration is .app. It will be problem if you set .app, like my package name .app, something company name .app or something .app. So main thing is don't use .app. I hope you understand these things. So I want to set this package name. So copy your package name. Now I stay Android app folder. So move to click this Android and select project. Then spend. Then again go app and spend. Then again go src spanned, then again main spanned, then select java spanned. Here .com test.notepad. See, this is my package name. Okay, this is my package name. Now I need to change it. Okay, remember you select proper path folder. Okay, this is rs and many other folder. You select this path folder, .com means start.com, start.com, com dot, sorry, start.com dot. Okay, then others name. So select com dot your package name file, then right click and go next new, then go package, and your existing package name just works clear, and you can type your new package name or you can paste your copy package name. I already paste my copy package name, means I want to set this package name, so I copy then paste. Okay, then enter. Here you see com, then your new package name, and here is your old package name. So now need to move this old package name to new package name. So select your old package name all item, just click and your keyboard shift, press shift button, then mouse button click, mouse left button select. Okay, all item select, you can drag or drop or easy process. Your right button click and cut, then click your new package name, select your new package name, right button click, paste, and refactor, click refactor. Okay, fine, I successfully moved my Kotlin activity, just old package name. Now simply delete, it's no need. Okay, now for testing I run my project. I hope have some error, then I will fix. Okay, now my project is emulator is already open, then run. You already see my package name already changed. Okay, my necessary here how we successfully change the package name without any error. Okay, that's very good. Then go change your project path location and wait. Now basic tasks, rename your old package to set new package, and with manifest.xml, just select and paste. Manifest work is done, cross, then this Gradle, new to Gradle change, then go select and paste, and select and paste, and when set new package name, then simply synchronize sync now and run my app. Yes, now I face a problem. Before I was things I face a problem. But before not detect any problem, now I face a problem because now I change some name. This necessary to change. Okay, this Android manifest and this Gradle must need to change it. So when I change, then I face one error. You can face multiple error. Dot r. So just before dot r, your here this is your old package name, right? Just select your old package name and paste your new package name. Okay, again run. When you face this .r error, just simply replace your old package name to new package name dot before .r. Okay, select and paste. Then again run. Here, this is another problem. Same process. Select and paste your new package name. Then run. Finally, my project is run. New package name. So app show new option. Okay, I hope you set your new package name and now you can upload your app Play Store without any hassle. So if you feel this video is helpful, please like, comments and subscribe my channel. So thank you.